Hey guys, so first of all, I will tell you major news, but I saw this just by scrolling on X. Someone 19 years old made $2 million on Solana, and obviously he made it on Bullex, and that's what I'm telling all the people that are watching this, all my community, that how to try out Bullex. Bullex is the best platform. All the OGs, all the meme coin traders are using Bullex because it's the most, basically the fastest. You can track wallets, you can track Twitter. I mean, this is insane. And if you want to see people that are using this this application, and if you want to copy wallets, you can go on ColdScan. These are the biggest meme coin traders or just Solana coin traders. You can search by leaderboard. Here you can see daily Dave Portnoy, obviously the biggest terrorizer of meme coins today, made 297,000. The biggest meme coin trader is Capsi, then Frank, and then many other. You can basically track all of these because in Bullex you can track up to 300 wallets. So you basically are seeing in a real time what people are buying and selling. Here you can see Capsi bought 27 seconds ago Relief. And this is how you basically can predict what will pump and what will not pump. You can just follow the biggest traders, the best traders. And for example, Dave Portnoy is creating a meme coin every day. And I understand that he is dumping basically in few hours. But if you follow the smart wallets, they are catching these calls, these coins really early. And if you can master the Bullex platform, you can be one of them. The retail is basically being dumped on. That's why always be really careful if you're just starting out. But if you are trying to get into meme coins and just Solana coins, because I think on Solana 99% of coins are meme coins, try out Bullex. Again, people making millions, 90 years old. I think basically the younger you are, the easier it will be for you to understand. And I can just show you, it's really easy. First of all, you will go on Bullex, you will see Wallet Manager, and that's where you basically add funds. You will press this button. Here you will see your basic contract address where you will send Solana from Phantom or any exchange you have Solana on. And that's how you fund your wallet. Then you basically search the ticker right here. You can track wallets down here, basically just clicking on here. There are many more things that you can track. You can track how many snipers are in the coin, how many insiders. So this is really advanced. You can filter out what you want and what you don't want. Now, the biggest news of today is this. Elon Musk is thinking about sending United States taxpayers $5,000 from the savings generated by Doge. So I think they have saved already like 4 trillion or something like that. Maybe I am over exaggerating, but I think I read this. So he said that he will be asking Trump, the president, to basically give out people in USA $5,000 stimulus checks, which is basically really similar to basically the pandemic checks, which I think was around $2,000, something like that, maybe less. But this is 5,000 check, and you understand that this basically big chunk of this money will go straight into crypto, so the liquidity will be huge. And this is so huge. I think many people still don't know about this, but yeah, if this actually happens, crypto will go crazy. And right now, I like the coins that have done the most. And in the last days, as you can see, Solana went from $200 to $160. If we are looking monthly, it has basically went $100 lower, which is insane. 31% for the top 10 coin is crazy. That's why I am bullish, because meme coins are not going anywhere. Solana is not going anywhere. Celebrities are launching on Solana, and I don't think this will change because yeah, everyone will try to capitalize on this wave, on meme coin Solana wave. And I don't think someone is onboarding, because there are many people that are onboarding celebrities. Like I think the FaZe banks are onboarding celebrities, and of course he will onboard them on Solana if nothing changes. If something changes, I think there will be celebrities launching on Base, but right now Base is not even close to Solana. And my favorite coin on Solana is Memecoin, is Trump. I mean, Trump basically went from $80 billion market cap to right now 16 billion. So if it goes back, that's an easy 5x. I mean, this video is not a financial advice, but I still think Trump coin is one of the I think it is the biggest meme coin right now, because people are really rooting for Trump. There are like half of America that are basically Trump supporters. Here you can see it went like to over almost $80 billion in market cap. Crazy. And right now it has done, because Bitcoin is basically going lower, basically stagnating. But I think if these huge news basically happen, if the US people get $5,000 stimulus checks, if they implement everything around crypto, if countries start basically creating strategic reserves of Bitcoin and Ethereum and basically all of the major cryptocurrencies, that will be the major shift in crypto, and we will experience a crazy crypto bull run. And I don't really care no more if it happens in February, in March, in April, maybe in summer, maybe next year. Maybe this will be the longest bull run, because as we see, basically the crypto changes are taking some time. And I understand that Trump is really fast. The David Sachs is a really smart guy, but it takes time. And I think the longer it takes, the longer the bull run will continue. If everything happens after summer, I think the whole 2027 will be the biggest bull run. I understand that many people are looking at a 4-year cycle, but looking right now, we haven't even touched the surface. I think we are like 5 to 10% into this current crypto bull run. And I mean, I experienced the 2017, 2021, and this is nothing even close, because people were euphoric. You could find thousands of dollars just by scrolling on X. I mean, it was insane. And right now, many people are making hundreds of thousands, even millions. Mainly meme coin traders, and mainly people that are using advanced tools. If you're using Phantom Wallet, it will be really hard for you to basically get in first. And again, I am just talking about Bullex because I want my community to be faster than everyone else. And I have many tutorials how you can actually use it and basically buy faster, sell faster. Because when the bull run comes, and if it comes, it will be crazy, and the Solana will be so congested. Every second will matter for you to get in lower prices, and for other people to pump basically after you buy. That's why I'm really advising people to check Bullex. Just try it. After you fund your wallet, buy some coins, you will see how fast it is. You basically see in a real time how everything is pumping and dumping. Overall, I'm really bullish because Trump is buying Bitcoin, buying Ethereum, and we have 4 years of this basically administration in the office. You understand that Binance, where I can basically find this. So Binance US. So this is major because here you can see USD services. I mean, Binance is returning to USA. Here you can see Binance USA resumes USD service for US customers. So basically people in USA can now use Binance since 2023. So basically this administration is really bullish on crypto, and this basically will open doors more and more. That's why I think this bull run could be insane. Of course, the peaks will not go for 4 years, but for the next 4 years, I basically beg you to not fade crypto. Don't fade the space. find, even if you don't understand crypto, find a job in crypto. There are many people hiring in this space. You will understand the whole space faster. Just try it out. Install Bullx. It is a really advanced platform. Here you can see people are creating coins. Basically, don't touch this area. When you go on Bullx, just start with funding your wallet. Wallet tracker, check what people are buying and selling. And again, you can go on call scan. Here, basically copy whatever wallet you want. You can also find wallets on X. But this is the easiest part, and these are basically the best meme coin traders. So that's basically I think really smart for you to do, to basically copy the best meme coin traders, so you can see what they are doing, how fast they are, because they are extremely fast. They are on another level. Yeah, basically check out this application. The invite link is in the description. This is invite only, that's why the link is in the description. And yeah, basically that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.